There is one line that can enter a woman's mind so quietly. She won't even notice it at first. But later, when she is brushing her hair, lying in bed, scrolling through her phone, or pretending not to care, it comes back. Not because it was loud, not because it was romantic, not because you begged for her attention, but because it touched something deeper than words. And this is where most men completely fail. They think the line that makes a woman remember them all night has to be a compliment. Something like, "You're beautiful," or "I've never met anyone like you." But the truth is, she has heard that before. Maybe from men who meant it. Maybe from men who only wanted something from her. Either way, her mind already knows how to protect itself from predictable attention. So, when you say the same things every other man says, her brain files you in the same emotional folder. Safe, predictable, forgettable. But the line I'm about to show you works differently. It doesn't chase her. It doesn't worship her. It doesn't put pressure on her to respond. It creates an unfinished emotional loop. And female psychology responds very strongly to unfinished emotional loops because the mind hates open questions. It wants closure. It wants meaning. It wants to know, what did he really mean by that? This is why she can forget a man who compliments her for 30 minutes. But remember one sentence from a man who made her feel seen in a way she didn't expect. Imagine this. You are talking to her. The conversation is normal. Maybe she laughs. Maybe she teases you. Maybe she seems confident, like nothing can touch her. And instead of reacting like every other guy, instead of trying harder to impress her, you pause for just a second and say calmly, "You're not as easy to understand as you pretend to be." That's it. Not aggressive, not needy, not dramatic, just calm, direct, certain. And something happens inside her. Because now you are not praising her beauty. You are not chasing her attention. You are suggesting that behind the smile, behind the confidence, behind the casual attitude, there is a part of her that you noticed, and that is dangerous. Because being noticed is more powerful than being complimented. A compliment touches her ego for a moment, but being seen touches her identity. And once you touch her identity, her mind starts replaying you. But there is a secret reason why this line works so deeply, and it has everything to do with the one emotional mask most women never admit they are wearing. The emotional mask most women wear is not arrogance. It is not drama. It is not coldness. It is protection. And the more attractive, intelligent, or emotionally experienced a woman is, the better she becomes at hiding what she actually feels. She can smile while testing you. She can laugh while observing you. She can act careless while secretly measuring your emotional strength. Most men never notice this. They only see the surface. They see her beauty, her confidence, her attitude, her replies, her silence. And then they react emotionally. They try to prove themselves. They try to impress her. They over-explain. They compliment too much. They become predictable. And the moment a man becomes predictable, her emotional curiosity dies. But when you say, "You're not as easy to understand as you pretend to be," something different happens. You are not asking for validation. You are not saying, "Please like me." You are saying, "I see something you are trying to hide." And that creates tension. Not the bad kind of tension. The kind that makes her pause for half a second. The kind that makes her eyes narrow slightly. The kind that makes her wonder whether you are just guessing or whether you actually noticed something real. This is where attraction becomes psychological. Because women are not deeply moved by men who simply want them. They are moved by men who can read the emotional room without losing control of themselves. Think about it. If she is used to men reacting to her looks, and suddenly you react to her inner world, you become different. you become a mystery. And the human mind becomes addicted to mysteries that feel personal. She may smile and say, "What do you mean by that?" She may roll her eyes and say, "You think you know me?" She may laugh it off like it meant nothing. But later, it returns. Because now you have placed a question inside her mind. Did he see through me? Am I that obvious? What else did he notice? And here is the most powerful part. The line works because it gives her two emotions at the same time. It makes her feel exposed, but not judged, seen, but not controlled, challenged, but not insulted. And when a woman feels that combination, her mind does something strange. It starts building a story around you. But the way you say the line matters even more than the line itself. Say it wrong, and it sounds creepy. Say it right, and she may remember your voice longer than your face. The biggest mistake men make with this line is trying to perform it. They lower their voice too much. They stare too hard. They act like they are delivering a movie dialogue. And the moment she feels you are trying to create an effect, the spell breaks. Because female psychology does not respond to forced mystery. It responds to relaxed certainty. You don't say, "You're not as easy to understand as you pretend to be," like you are trying to impress her. You say it like you noticed something, and you are comfortable leaving it there. That is the key. Most men panic after saying something bold. They immediately explain. They smile too much. They say, "I'm joking," or, "I mean, you seem interesting," or, "Don't take it the wrong way." And in that moment, they destroy the emotional tension they just created. Because the power of the line is not only in the words, it is in the silence after the words. When you say it, let the silence breathe. Just 1 second, maybe 2. Let her mind step into the space you created. That small silence is where curiosity begins to grow. She may ask, "What makes you say that?" And this is where you must not give her a long explanation. Because the more you explain, the less she imagines. And imagination is what makes someone replay you later. Instead, you say something simple. Just the way you hide your real reactions behind that smile. Now you have gone deeper. Not too deep, not dramatic, but deep enough to make her feel like you are paying attention to the part of her most people miss. And this is where her emotional state changes. She may become playful. She may test you. She may deny it. She may say, "You're overthinking." But even if she denies it, her mind has already opened the file. Because denial does not always mean rejection. Sometimes denial is her way of protecting the feeling you just triggered. And this is what most men don't understand. When a woman feels slightly exposed by you, she will often act like she is unaffected. But inside, she is checking whether you are emotionally strong enough to hold the tension without becoming needy. So after the line, do not chase, do not ask, "Are you mad?" Do not ask, "Was that too much?" Stay calm. Change the subject naturally. Smile lightly. Let her wonder why you are not desperate to prove your point. Because the man who can create emotion and then walk away from it becomes unforgettable. But there is one final layer to this line. One dangerous mistake that can turn attraction into discomfort if you don't understand it. The dangerous mistake is using this line like a weapon. Some men hear psychology and immediately think attraction is about control. They think if they can find the right sentence, the right timing, the right emotional trigger, they can make a woman feel something against her will. But that is not attraction. That is insecurity wearing a mask. The real power of this line is not manipulation. It is awareness. When you say, "You're not as easy to understand as you pretend to be," you are not trying to trap her mind. You are showing her that you are not another man hypnotized by the obvious. You are showing her that you can notice beauty without becoming weak around it. You can feel attraction without begging for approval. You can create tension without forcing closeness. And that is what makes the line stay with her. Because most women are used to two types of men. The first type chases too hard. He compliments, reacts, explains, and tries to win her by giving away all his emotional power. The second type acts cold because he is afraid of being vulnerable. He pretends not to care, but underneath his silence is full of fear. But the man who stands in the middle is rare. He is warm, but not needy. Interested, but not desperate. Confident, but not arrogant. And when he says something that touches the hidden part of her, then leaves space for her to feel it, he becomes different from every man competing for her attention. That is why she replays him. Not because the sentence was magical, but because the sentence carried emotional weight. She remembers the pause. She remembers the calmness. She remembers the feeling that, for one brief moment, someone looked past the version of herself she performs for the world and noticed the woman underneath. And here is the final secret. The line only works when it is true. If you say it just to sound mysterious, she will feel the emptiness behind it. But if you say it because you genuinely noticed something in her behavior, something guarded, something layered, something she rarely shows, then your words become unforgettable. So the next time you are talking to a woman and everyone else is trying to impress her, don't compete for the loudest compliment. Notice the quiet thing. Notice the hidden reaction. Notice the smile that came half a second too late. Then, calmly say, "You're not as easy to understand as you pretend to be." And let the silence do the rest. Because sometimes the line that stays in her mind all night is not the one that tells her she is beautiful. It is the one that makes her wonder how much of her you actually saw. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe to Psychology of Desire, because in the next video, you will learn why the woman who acts the most uninterested may be the one watching you the closest. And once you understand that, you will never read her silence the same way again.